Okay.
This one is quite hard.
Good girl.
We've got that one coming out. Perfect.
Good girl.
That is quick, that one. Slimy.
Let's see you do it.
brothers and sisters. Oh, Amy, I'd like that one.
Go on then, break it.
Come on, Mum, get your nails in there. That one went out very quick. Hope it's go. I really do. That means it'll be fair.
Okay. Just gently.
Oh, smash. Don't get overprotective. I know you want to break it off, but don't break it off that hard. My one's got black on it.